CP Plus Time Attendance System. Hello, I am Vikram. In this video, I will tell you about CP Plus Biometric Machine Models advanced feature and its operation. Here you can see the models, basically MTA and VTA models. MTA models works on pull technology and VTA models works on push technology. That means logs auto push to the server. For VTA models, we need to download manually logs. Let's check the CP Plus time attendance machine advanced features. Here email features. We can send email on punch, early coming, late coming and missed punch. You can also send the SMS with the help of API. And here the most advanced feature. We can download data of multiple locations at server end through a static IP. Now we are learning how to register a fingerprint. Here we have to click on menu, register, enroll, new registration. Okay. Then click finger, then put ID and now put your finger for first time and second time, then OK and escape. For this procedure you can enroll your finger. Okay. Now after enrollment just punch, it will give you thank you message. Finally, we can generate a report with the help of CP-TAM software. There are different type of report formats. Here we can see that basic time attendance report format, detailed time attendance report format, logs detail report format, in-out details report format, monthly basic time attendance format, monthly summary details report format. Thank you for watching.